Welcome to Makyo Electric's first unboxing and introduction video. This is the Watch Boot series Rebooter RPC-M5C-EA. Let's go ahead and open this up and see what's inside. On the front panel, we have an RJ45 LAN Ethernet cable port, 2 LEDs to show connectivity status, a dip switch set, a reset button, LAN LED light, and 4 more LED lights to indicate whether each outlet is turned on. On the front panel, right side, we have a replaceable fuse in which you can use a Phillips screwdriver to access. Now let's see what's on the back side. Whoops. Here is where we plugged in the power cable and 4 power outlets to connect your network devices. So that was a simple tour of the front and back side panel of the RPC-M5C-EA.